Becoming a landlord. 10 mistakes to avoid. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. Today, we're diving into the top 10 common mistakes first-time landlords make and how to avoid them. These tips will help you navigate the complexities of property management with confidence. Being a landlord can be a great source of passive income, but it's not as simple as just collecting rent checks every month. There are many responsibilities and potential pitfalls. Let's get started on this journey to becoming a successful landlord. One of the biggest mistakes that new landlords make is not taking the time to screen their tenants properly. This oversight can lead to a host of problems down the line, including late payments, property damage, and even legal issues. You need to make sure that you're getting someone who is reliable, responsible, and who is going to pay their rent on time. A good tenant can make your life as a landlord much easier. The best way to do this is to run a thorough background check, credit check, and to call their previous landlords to get references. These steps will help you verify their rental history and ensure they have a good track record. Taking these precautions can save you a lot of headaches and money in the long run, making your rental experience much more positive. Another common mistake that new landlords make is neglecting maintenance. Regular maintenance will help to keep your property in good condition and will also prevent small problems from becoming big, expensive ones down the road. Make sure you budget for regular maintenance and don't be afraid to spend money on it when it's needed. Setting the wrong rent price is another surefire way to sabotage your success as a landlord. It's crucial to strike a balance that attracts tenants while ensuring profitability. If you set your rent too high, you're going to have a hard time finding tenants, and you're going to end up with a lot of vacancies. Empty properties mean lost income and increased stress. Look at what other landlords are charging for similar properties in your area. Researching market rates helps you stay competitive and ensures your property is priced right to attract quality tenants. Chapter 4. Get it in writing. You need to have a solid lease agreement that outlines the terms of the rental agreement between you and your tenant. Make sure that both you and the tenant sign the lease agreement. Chapter 5. Know your rights. Landlord-tenant laws vary from state to state, so it's important to be aware of the laws in your area. These laws cover things like security deposits, evictions, and repairs. Do your research and make sure you understand your rights and responsibilities as a landlord. Chapter 6. Communication is key. Good communication is essential for any successful landlord-tenant relationship. Good communication will help to build a strong relationship with your tenants and will make it more likely that they'll renew their lease when the time comes. Chapter 7. As a landlord, it's important to keep detailed records of everything. This includes things like rent payments, maintenance requests, and communication with tenants. Keeping good records will help you to stay organized and will also protect you in case of a dispute with a tenant. Chapter 8. Don't forget the hidden costs. There are a lot of costs associated with being a landlord that new landlords often forget about. One way to estimate your costs is to use the 50% rule. Chapter 9. Protect yourself. As a landlord, you need to make sure that you're properly insured. Even if you have a great tenant, accidents happen, so it's important to have adequate insurance coverage just in case. Chapter 10. You don't have to do it alone. Being a landlord can be a lot of work, especially if you're managing multiple properties. There are plenty of qualified professionals who can help you with things like finding tenants, collecting rent, handling maintenance, and dealing with legal issues. Outro, now you're ready to be a landlord. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Good luck with your rental property journey, and I'll see you in the next one.